In this video, we will see how to download and install Tor browser on Debian Linux 13.1. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux 13, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor official website, that is torproject.org. Click on download Tor browser or download Tor browser, either is same. Then select download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 118 megabytes and it is zip file. Once download completes, then we will unzip this file and we will open the Tor browser. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. See, here we have the Tor browser. Untar it, tor-xf, then give tor-, then press the tab from the keyboard and hit enter to autofill entire file name. ls, see, here we have the Tor browser folder. Go to this folder, ls. Now we have to run this start Tor browser.desktop /start. Press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Don't give the sudo. Now see here, always connect automatically. Select it to connect to Tor automatically. Then click on connect. See, we have successfully connected and see the default search engine for Tor browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor browser on Debian Linux 13.1. But the process is same on all Debian Linux versions. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.